Sairam children, welcome to online session. We'll continue with our chapter 15, area. Now here you have to fill in the blanks, you have to write the formula. Area of a parallelogram. So what is the formula to find area of a parallelogram? It is base into height. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area of a rhombus. Area of rhombus is half into product of length of its diagonals. Half into product of length of its diagonals. So we have studied about parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? A quadrilateral having opposite sides parallel. We have also studied rhombus. Rhombus is a quadrilateral having all the sides congruent or of equal length. Let's continue with practice set 15.2. Lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus are 16.5 cm and 14.2 cm. Find its area. So what we have to do here? We have to first write given. What is given here? Length of diagonals. And what is the length of the diagonals? 16.5 cm and 14.2 centimeters. So first we will write given lengths of diagonals 16.5 centimeter and 14.2 centimeter. Now to find, what we have to find here? We have to find here area of rhombus. Now first solution. Area of rhombus. Now what is the formula to find area of rhombus? It is half into product of length of diagonals. Then we will substitute the values. Half into 16.5 into 14.2. Now we will do the calculation. Now 14.2 is an even number. So we can easily divide it by 2, that is half of. And what is half of 14.2? It is 7.1. We know 2 sevens are 14. So 7.1. Now 16.5 multiplied by 7.1. And what is the answer? It is 117.15 square centimeter. So here you have to multiply 16.5 with 7.1. And when you will multiply, write the answer, and here the answer will have 2 decimal places. So it is 117.15 square centimeter. Now final answer. Final answer, area of rhombus is equal to 117.15 square centimeter. Now next question. If length of a diagonal of a rhombus is 30 centimeter and its area is 240 square centimeter, find its perimeter. So here length of a diagonal is given. One diagonal is given. And how much is the length? It is 30 centimeter. What else is given? Area. It is 240 square centimeter. We have to find perimeter. So first write given. Length of a diagonal of a rhombus is equal to 30 centimeter. Now what else is given? Area. Area is equal to 240 square centimeter. What we have to find? We have to find perimeter of the rhombus. Now what is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all sides. And here rhombus has all the sides equal, they are congruent. So we have to add all that is perimeter. We have to add the sum of the all sides. Now solution. First we have to draw a rhombus. So you will draw a rhombus A, B, C, D. So you are going to draw a rhombus. And solution, we will write let quadrilateral ABCD be a rhombus. So here quadrilateral ABCD be a rhombus. Now we know that name have to be written in clockwise or anti-clockwise. So it is given A, B, C, D in order. Now diagonals. One diagonal is BD and another diagonal is AC. So BD and AC, the diagonals are intersecting at point E. So we will mention, let E be the point of intersection of diagonals of a rhombus. So E is the point of intersection of diagonals. And we know that the property, what is the property? Diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. They are perpendicular bisectors of each other. They bisect at right angle. Now, length of one diagonal is given, and that is, we have taken diagonal BD. That is 30 centimeter. It is given. So, length of diagonal BD is equal to 30 centimeter given. What else is given? Area. Area of rhombus 240 square centimeter. Now what we have to find? We have to find area of rhombus because we want another diagonal. So area of rhombus, what is the formula? Area of rhombus is equal to half into product of lengths of diagonals. Then area of rhombus, how much it is given? 240 is equal to half. One diagonal is BD, another diagonal is AC. So we will substitute the values. 240 is equal to half into 30 into length AC. Now we have to do the calculation. Now half of 30. Now what is half of 30? Half of 30 is 15. Half of 30, 15. Now 240 is equal to 15 into length AC. That is 240 is equal to 15 into length AC. Now we have to find length AC, and that length AC is equal to 240 divided by 15. So now we have to divide. Divide 240 by 15 and you will get the answer 16. Even you can do the direct division. 15 ones are. Then you will subtract, you get 9. It becomes 90. So 16. Or actual division you have to do. So we got another diagonal, and that is 16 centimeter. Now diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Now in triangle ADE, so now look at this figure. We know the diagonals, they divide the rhombus, that is, into 4 congruent triangles. All the 4 triangles are congruent. So we can take any one triangle. So I have taken the triangle AED. This triangle is taken. Now DE is half of BD. BD was given 30. So DE will be half of that, 15. AE is half of AC. And half of AC, that is 8. Half of 16. And we have to find AD, side. So this is a side because we have to find perimeter. So we have to find the side. Now given triangle AED is a right angle triangle because angle E is 90 degree. So we will be using theorem of Pythagoras. Now what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square. So side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. So here our hypotenuse is AD. AD is our hypotenuse. And our side 1 is DE. Our side 2 is AE. And our hypotenuse is AD. So in triangle ADE, measure angle E is equal to 90 degree. In triangle ADE, measure angle E is equal to 90 degree. Now DE is half of BD, that is half of 30, 15 centimeter. and AE is half of AC, and half of 16, that is 8 centimeter. Now here we are using the Pythagoras theorem. And what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square plus side 1 square plus side 2 square. Now this is AD square. AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. Side 1 square plus side 2 square. Now we have to substitute the values. Length AD square is equal to side 1, which is 8. So 8 square plus 15 square. Now 8 square is 64. Square of 8, 64. Square of 15, 225. You are asked to learn the squares, right? So square of 15, 225. So length AD square is equal to, add 64 with 225. So what is the answer? 289. Now we have to find AD. So we have to take square root. And square root of 289 is 17 centimeter. AD is equal to 17 centimeter. And what is AD? AD is side of the rhombus. And side of the rhombus is 17 centimeter. Now perimeter of rhombus. What is the formula to find perimeter of rhombus? It is sum of all sides. Here all sides of rhombus are congruent. So it will be 4 into side. And 4 into side. One side is 17. Now multiply 17 with 4. You will get the answer 68. You can do the direct multiplication. 4 sevens are 28. 8 to carry up. That way also horizontally we can do. Then 4 ones are 4 plus 2. 68 centimeter. Final answer is perimeter of the rhombus is 68 centimeter. So that is sum of all sides. We have written perimeter 68 centimeter. Now here one sum is given and it is given in the form of an activity. That is where the blanks are there. We will be filling them. First one, that is area of a rhombus is 108 square centimeter. One of his diagonal is 18 centimeter. Find the length of his other diagonal. So what is given is area of rhombus and it is 108 square centimeter. What else is given? Length of diagonal, and length of the diagonal is given 18. It means one diagonal is given. And we have to find the length of other diagonal. So first we will write given. What is given? Area of rhombus. So here you will be writing area of rhombus and it is 108 square centimeter. Next what it is given is length of one diagonal. And that length of one diagonal it is given is 18 centimeter. So one area is given 108 square centimeter and one diagonal is given. So we have taken as diagonal, that is D1. One diagonal, and that is 18 centimeter. Now what we have to find here, it is the length of his other diagonal. So that is taken as D2. One diagonal D1, other diagonal D2. Now solution. Solution is, first write the formula. Area of rhombus. It is equal to half into product of length of diagonals. Area of rhombus is half into product of lengths of diagonals. Now area of rhombus is equal to dash into D1 into D2. So D1 is first diagonal, D2 is other diagonal. So what we will write here? We will write here half. We will write here half. Now we will substitute the values. Area of rhombus, it is given 108 is equal to half into diagonal 1, that is half into diagonal 1, and that is the value given 18. So what we will be writing here, it is 18 into diagonal 2. Now 108 is equal to dash into D2. It means 18 is divided by 2, half of 18. So what will come here in this dash? It will come as 9. So 108 is equal to 9, that is into D2. Now D2, that is the other diagonal. What we will do? 108 divided by 9. Because 9 will come to other side of the equality, it will become divide. So 108 divided by 9. Now divide 108 by 9, children. The answer is 12. We know 12 nines are, so the answer is 12. So our other diagonal is 12 centimeters. So we have to write the answer in full statement. The length of other diagonal is 12 centimeter. Now we will be doing another quadrilateral, and that quadrilateral is trapezium. Now what is trapezium? If only one pair of opposite side, that is, if only one pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is parallel, it is called trapezium. So in trapezium we have only one pair of opposite sides parallel, that is, one pair of opposite side is parallel. So here which side is parallel? This. Now the other side which is not parallel, it is known as non-parallel sides. So in trapezium only one pair of opposite side is parallel. Now we know what are parallel lines, the lines which do not intersect each other. So here these are the parallel sides, and these are parallel sides A, B, C, D, and here this trapezium is A, B, C, D. This is the trapezium, and parallel sides are A, B and C, D. AP is the height between the parallel sides, and we know the height between the parallel side is fixed. Even here it is BQ. This is also height. Now formula to find area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides. Which are the parallel sides here? AB and CD. Parallel sides are AB and CD. So it is half of AB plus CD into height. So we can take any one height. So formula of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height. So formula half into sum of lengths of parallel sides into height. Now we will be doing practice set 15.3 in quadrilateral ABCD. In quadrilateral ABCD, now what is given? AB is 13 centimeter. AB 13 centimeter, DC is 9 centimeter, and this is the height, which is 8 centimeter. Height is always perpendicular height, that is, it makes a 90 degree at the base. So sum of the parallel, that is, parallel sides are given. AB is one parallel side, CD is other parallel side, and AD is height. What we have to find here? We have to find the area of trapezium. So first write given. In quadrilateral ABCD, length AB is equal to 13 centimeter, length DC is 9 centimeter, length AD is 8 centimeter. What we have to find? We have to find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So solution. We will mention here that quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium, as it is having only one pair of opposite sides parallel. So given quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Now what we will do? First we will write the formula. Formula of area of trapezium is half into sum of lengths of parallel sides into height. It is half into sum of lengths of parallel sides into height. That is half into, now which are the parallel, that is the parallel sides? AB is one parallel side and CD is other parallel side. So AB plus CD, write in brackets, half of AB plus CD, or we can also write DC, into height. Height is AD. Now substitute the values. Half of one side was 13, other side was 9. AB was 13, CD was 9. So in bracket you have to write, it is half of 13 plus 9 into 8 into height, that is 8. So now first BODMAS rule, open the bracket, 13 plus 9, the answer is 22. So half of 22, and half of 22 is 11. So what we have to do? 11 multiply with 8. And when you multiply 11 with 8, so this is the calculation. Half of 22, 11. 11 8s are. So what is 11 8s are? Yes, 88 square centimeter. Write the answer in statement. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is 88 square centimeter. So we will conclude here with the trapezium, and we will continue in the next session. So thank you children. Practice the sums given and take good care of yourself.